Hello everyone, my name is Jessica.
I'm Ali.
Today we will be talking about aseptic techniques. For those of you that do not know what aseptic techniques are, they are principles that help us minimize the transmission of microorganisms in the operating room. It also reduces surgical site infections to protect the patient as well as ourselves.
So one of our many principles of aseptic techniques is proper attire. So Jessica and I accept the aseptic technique challenge. Do you?
Go.
So everybody knows that hair is the #1 source of contamination in the OR. So it's very crucial to wear your bonnet the right way. And the way you should wear it is make sure you cover all the hair by your neck, behind your ears, cover your ears as well. And she's going to demonstrate how to put that on. See how she's covering everything, and she's tucking on all the little pieces of hair back here. Make sure nothing is exposed because we want to eliminate any source of contamination as much as possible. And this is how you wear it.
And you want to make sure your ears are covered. So the don'ts of wearing a bonnet is like Fabi. She has her hair out and it is showing, which can contaminate and cause a surgical site infection. So she needs to put it up. And she also has her ears exposed. So her ears.
Are you sure though? I thought I looked cute.
No, you can't look cute in the OR. You have to be proper for contamination.
Okay.
Okay, so next we're going to talk about is proper shoe attire. I currently have on the proper leather non-resistant shoes. They are black, and I am going to demonstrate how to put on the shoe covers, which are also known as booties. So this covers up your whole shoe. First, you want to grab your booties and you want to put it in from the top and make sure everything is covered up and not showing. That would be the proper way to have your booties covering everything up. And then we're gonna do the next one. So these are the do's, everything is covered up, and now we're ready to go.
Okay, Christina will be demonstrating how to put on a mask properly. She is using a fluid resistant mask, and she's gonna start off by putting placing on her nose and pinching the top and grabbing the two strips on the top of the mask all the way to the top of her head, behind her head, and tie it up. And make sure that the string is behind her ears, like so. And then she will be making sure everything's secure. And then she'll be grabbing the bottom of the mask, pulling it towards her face, pulling both strings, and wrapping it at the back of her head by her neck area, and securing to make sure that the mask is secure as well. Like so. Now she will be using proper PPE equipment. This is the protective goggles that she will be putting on. Make sure that she places the holders of the goggles inside the cap to secure it on top of her ear so they don't slip off. And this is the finished product. The don'ts on how to wear your mask and your proper PPE equipment. So Christina is wearing the mask, but it is not secured on top of the head like it should be. The straps are both at the bottom of the neck. And then if you turn to the side here, you can see that she does not have the goggles properly secured onto her ears. The holders are on top of the bonnet instead of inside the bonnet, which are also exposing her ears, which that's not the right way to do. The mask is only covering her mouth and not her nose, which it should be secure on top of her nose and pinched up so it's secured. And her hair is showing as well, which it's not the right way to be. And these are the don'ts.
Okay, you guys, so we accepted the aseptic technique challenge of the do's and the don'ts.
So are you guys up for the challenge now?